Hello, I'm Brad Exton with FASS Fuel Systems, and we have some industry-leading news that's really not part of the industry. You know us for building fuel systems that kick ass and knock out the competition as we build the industry-leading fuel system. Well, I used to fight up until about 20 years ago, professionally, boxing. Won the Missouri middleweight belt on my 4th fight. Had some good fights after that and not so good fights, and taking care of those issues that I had not so good fights with. And I'm going to be entering the ring again in Jeff City, Missouri on March the 30th at the Capitol Plaza. I'm going to be literally knocking the hell out of the competition there. What's going to be cool is that we're going to have a lot of our FASS guys there, and we'd love to meet you. So just contact us, mark out that date, March 30th, mark it down. We'll have information out on our social media. You can send us messages and we'll figure out a way of getting you your tickets to the knockout.